Recently, Lonza announced an expansion in Greenwood. This is roughly a $50 million investment over the next 5 years. The first call I made was actually to the Partnership Alliance because we needed help bridging the gap between business and industry to our government and tax situations that are involved with such an investment. It's because of those resources that exist and are available to us that makes Greenwood an attractive place for investment. We chose Greenwood because there is a rich pipeline of talent in this area. Not only do we have access to wonderful engineering institutes, we have great talent in terms of manufacturing capabilities on the shop floor, but we can certainly draw on the state universities like Clemson University, University of South Carolina. We have local talent here in Greenwood through Lander University, and we utilize our support system through Piedmont Technical College for our shop floor workers and for technical training, OSHA training, and other skill sets that are required for our operation. People in the region need to know that the life science industry is very vibrant and it's growing. That rich pipeline just means so much in terms of the business landscape and how much opportunity there really is to come and grow with us in this area.